Good morning, students. I am Naveen Kumar, teacher of social science. Today I will teach you history of class 7, chapter 3, the Delhi Sultans. In last chapter, chapter 2, we discussed about the kingdoms flourished in the area of Kaveri Delta in South India. And now here in this chapter, chapter 3, we will discuss about the development of Delhi as an important city and the dynasties which ruled over the vast areas of the subcontinent or the northern India. बच्चों, इससे पहले के चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़े थे कि किस तरह से साउथ इंडिया कावेरी डेल्टा के क्षेत्र में नए नए राज्यों का उदय हुआ और इस चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि दिल्ली किस तरह से एक मशहूर शहर बन गया, राजधानी बन गया और इसका विकास होने लगा और इसके साथ ही साथ नए किंगडम्स, नए वंशों के बारे में जो उपमहाद्वीप के बड़े क्षेत्र पर शासन किया, खास करके उत्तर भारत में बड़े क्षेत्र पर शासन किया, इनके बारे में हम लोग विस्तृत रूप से इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. एट फर्स्ट, दिल्ली became an important city in the 12th century. Delhi first became the capital of a kingdom under Tomara Rajputs, who were defeated by Chauhanas of Ajmer. Under the both rulers or powers, Delhi became an important commercial center. The rich Jain merchants lived there who constructed many big temples. Coins was minted here called Delhi Wal that was circulated widely. In this way, Delhi became an important city in 12th century, and after that Delhi became the capital of different rulers of different dynasties which ruled over the vast area of the subcontinent, especially in northern India. About these dynasties we will discuss in detail in this chapter. About in this way, Delhi was the capital of about 6 dynasties, different rulers of 6 dynasties from 11 1530 to 1526, Delhi was an important city. These dynasties were Rajput dynasties, Tomaras and Chauhanas were important rulers, Prithviraj Chauhan. Then after early Turkish rulers dynasty or slave dynasty, important rulers of this dynasty were Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Razia Sultan and Ghiyasuddin Balban. These rulers were the slaves of one another. So the name of this dynasty is slave dynasty. Then after next dynasty was Khalji dynasty. Important rulers of this dynasty were Jalaluddin Khalji and Alauddin Khalji. Alauddin Khalji was the most important ruler of this dynasty. And then after there was the establishment of Tughlaq dynasty. Under this dynasty, some important rulers were Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Then after Sayyid dynasty, and at the last of Delhi Sultanate, there was the Lodi dynasty. Under Lodi dynasty, Sikandar Lodi, Bahlol Lodi, and the last Lodi ruler, he was Abraham Lodi. And after that, after the Lodi dynasty, next or another rulers conquered the area, Delhi and northern India. That was the Mughals, and it was the Babur who founded a new dynasty in India, that was the Mughal dynasty. In this way, within 400 years, 6 dynasties ruled over India, in northern part of India or larger part of the subcontinent. They were very important, and Delhi was remain an important city or capital city of different rulers under these dynasties. About these dynasties, we will discuss in more detail in this chapter. Thank you.